Hello, good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to edit your photograph in Lightroom Mobile. Right now I'm using my iPhone and I want to show you how to edit instead of in a computer or who don't have a computer. So right now we're here, go to Light. Um, First thing you have to do is to go to Light with the bottom right here. Okay, now go to exposure and add it to about 30 and then contrast 35 and then the highlight is 70, no, about maybe 65, and then the shadows positive 35 and then the white goes to negative 60, no, 70, and black in negative 30. Now go to curve, just kind of drag it down, maybe around just a little bit, slightly, but not too much. And this is quite different than in my desktop, but I find it quite difficult to edit here in Lightroom Mobile, so I'm just practicing how to do this in here. Okay, so right now we're in color. About maybe 5, and then vibrant 60, just saturation to be about 65. Okay, so let's see, go down the red. It's hue 9, and then wait a minute, hold on a second, I made a mistake. Saturation 15, then hue back to 0. Anyway, go back to orange and saturation. Yeah, there you go. Go to aqua, saturation negative 100. Everything from green to magenta. Okay, so let's go to effect, to texture to be about 5, so the clarity about, let's see, 30, the haze about 20 something, no, go about 20, yeah. Being in that, go back to 25, and that's it. And okay, sharpening about 6. Okay, okay, go back to go to detail, saturation. So right now I'm in color, so I had to adjust the saturation on the color. So just to make sure. Let's check it out to see if it match the color. So I wanted to make it look moody, so that's how it is. Oop, not too much, no. About 90. That's it. Okay, done. Okay, so go to enable them. There's nothing to be here. Now on the top, now okay, need to crop the bottom. Just about that right. Yeah. Okay, so on the top right, you see a 3 dot there, and make it So create preset, and then title it, name it, do whatever you like. I'm gonna name it Moody or whatever, doesn't matter. And then go back again, and then copy setting, check OK, and then back to that and pick whatever picture you wanna copy to. Okay, let's say you pick that one, yeah. Oops, how come it's not there? Hold on a sec. I'm so sorry about that. Okay, let's see. On camera, okay, there you go. Let's see, pick that up. Alright, let's check that. Page setting. Okay, now you have to change the light and make your brightness a little bit down. And then, well, I guess that's it. There you go. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. And don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell for my video. Check it out. Bye.